Hi, my name's Natalie. Welcome to Fitfully Vintage. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create this beautiful, elegant, sophisticated, what other adjectives can I use? Oh, I don't know. Oh, I can't remember and I'm an English teacher, that's terrible. Nice? Never use nice. Never use nice to describe things. Anyway, this lovely rockabilly pin-up hairstyle. This hairstyle is great for the days where you're not quite ready to wash your hair, or it has lots of product in, something like that, and you can't wear it down but you still want it to look lovely. It's a really handy, nice updo. I'm starting by brushing all of the knots and tangles out of my hair. I've got quite a lot of hairspray in here from previous styles, so I'm just going to brush that through to get rid of that.
Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when I upload.
You'll find this is a great style to do before work. It's quick, simple, but still really elegant and sophisticated. Making a deep side parting on my left hand side, obviously, but you can do it on your right hand side, whatever suits you, wherever your parting lays. I'm going to try and get that nice and sharp because you're going to be able to see it. I'm then going to take a line from that parting around about my crown, maybe a bit further forward than that, and take it down to the opposite side of my forehead. I'm just going to pin this out of the way at the moment. Now you need to brush your hair as if you were putting it into a low ponytail. Try to make sure the back is as smooth as you can get it.
Make sure that you are gathering your hair slightly off centre to one side or another, it doesn't matter, and then towards the opposite side you're going to twist and turn the hair under as you're twisting down the lengths. Now feed your hair up into itself as you're twisting towards your ear, and you will form this almost like a little faux bob. It's very cute. Your hair should create a pocket that you can kind of poke that twist into nice and easily. Make sure you're holding the twist as you do it so it doesn't slip out, and you can then bobby pin in place. I use a few bobby pins. Initially I pin right where the ends of the hair are, and I make sure that there are two bobby pins crossing over so it's really secure, and then I go back along the twist and insert bobby pins vertically into my hairline through the twist.
You're then going to release the curls, or not the curls, you're going to release the front section of your hair and curl it in about 1-inch sections, curling it flat like a ribbon, not twisted like a rope, over and under the curling tong if you have them. You need to then also clip your curls and wait for them to cool. That's really, really important. Now I have a fringe, so this bit is a little bit tricky. If you don't have a fringe, you'll find this a lot easier. If you do, just be careful, don't burn your hands, and try and curl your fringe as best as you can. I try and catch it with the longer lengths of my hair. Ooh, it's hard.
There's no particular setting pattern that you need to follow here. Just make sure your hair is curled. Start at the mid lengths and then wrap the ends round, and then finally turn the curling iron towards your head and hold there for 10 or so seconds, maybe a bit longer depending on how hot your curling iron gets. If you can hold your curl and pin it, that's the best, but sometimes your curl will fall out, that's fine. If it does that, you can just roll it back up towards your hair and pin it. Like I said, there's no need to be pedantic about these curls for this style. As long as your hair is curled and has some curl in it, then that's all we're going for, really.
These shouldn't take too long to cool because there's not very much hair in each curl, but you do want to wait as long as possible. Get them as cool as you can before you take them out, because that ultimately is going to increase the longevity of your style. Okay, so I reckon I'm good for the coolness. I'm going to take these clips out Now here is where you've got carte blanche really with this front section of your hair. You can do whatever you like. You can do whatever you want with it really. You can barrel roll, pin curl, swoosh and curl if you want to. Today I'm going to do a simple front roll. So I'm going to brush through my curls. Okay, you can see the curl isn't very tight. I could have waited for them to cool a little bit longer, I think. So, but no matter, I really just need the curls in the end, so that will help me with the front roll. So I'm not too worried, but like I said, it's best to wait for them to cool as long as you possibly can. So here you might need to backcomb a little bit if you have thinner hair. I'm not going to. I'm going to use spray though to help hold my fringe where it should be. I'm going to use a fine tooth comb to just smooth this out here. I'm also going to need to use a sectioning clip to hold my fringe to the lengths of my hair while I'm rolling. If you have a fringe, you want to make sure that your fringe is under the lengths of your hair and not to the side, so you can roll it easier. Clipping that there and taking my hair down to the end, and where the curl flicks up, I'm going to make a pin curl and then walk that curl up the lengths of my hair towards my hairline. So walking it up, tucking any ends in as I go, and then when I get to my fringe I need to incorporate that into the roll. Not just yet, there. And again, that bit there. And take out that sectioning clip. Keep rolling it. Okay, when you get, I can tell my fringe is trying to ruin my life. Okay, when you get to your hairline, you want to bobby pin in place. I like to bobby pin from behind the roll because I always find how hard I try, if I bobby pin at the front, you can end up seeing the bobby pins, which kind of ruins it a little bit. So I'm just going to bobby pin from behind and up. And another one for good measure. I'm just going to put a flower in. Okay, all done. A nice smart updo. Elegant and simple. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you try this style and what you would like to see next, because I've got a little bit more time to film at the moment and love taking requests. Generally, I just love hearing from you anyway. If you like this also, then please check out these two videos here for more lovely pin-up hairstyles. Thanks again, guys. Bye.